Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to add quiz on Instagram Reels. Let's go. First of all, open up the Instagram application. Then swipe right to open up the Instagram camera. After that, tap on the Reel option at the bottom. Now go ahead and record and customize your reel. Once you've created your reel, tap on Next. Now all you have to do next is tap on the sticker icon at the top. Then simply select Quiz. After that, enter your question and the answers. You can add up to 4 options. You can also background, music, or other stickers if you want. Then tap Done at the top right corner of the screen. As you can see, the quiz has been successfully added to the reel. You can also move this around to anywhere you like. After you've added the poll to your reel, simply tap Next and post it. From these settings, you can also to whom you want to share this reel to. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.